How to download OneDrive files to computer. Need offline access to your cloud files? Let me show you the easiest way to download files from OneDrive to your Windows computer. First, open File Explorer and click on the OneDrive folder in the sidebar. This shows you all your cloud stored files. Right-click on the file or folder that you want to download and select Always Keep on this device. Windows will begin downloading it immediately. Once the file shows a solid green check mark, it's fully downloaded and available offline anytime. That's how simple it is to download OneDrive files to a PC. Stay connected to your work, online or offline. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.